is to the Governor of the Year.
Engineer Dave Nweze Umahi became governor of Ebonyi State in 2015. Under him, Ebonyi has arguably developed the most well-laid-out road network in the country. The roads are built with 8-inch concrete thickness that guarantees durability and functionality. Umahi has built the most aesthetic and enchantingly conducive university in the country from the scratch. The new, aptly named David Umahi Federal University of Health Sciences is arguably second to none in structure and equipment. The teaching hospital of the university is reportedly world standard both in layout and equipment. Realizing the need to expand the frontiers of the state capital, which he has built into one of the fastest growing cities in the country, Umahi moved into Virgin Territory and transformed it to a cosmopolitan city. Not neglecting the seat of authority, he built a new government house that most visitors have widely acclaimed. He followed this up with a governor's lodge that is described in same hue and a presidential lodge that is truly presidential. The government house chapel is serene and inviting, likewise the First Lady complex. The Executive Council chambers of Ebonyi State government is modeled after the United Nations General Assembly building and has few rivals in terms of size, beauty, and functionality. Under Governor Umahi, the international airport is nearing completion with a 3.1-kilometer runway. It is acclaimed as the biggest in West Africa. In 7 years, Governor Dave Umahi constructed bridges across the state at strategic points. One of them is the Iyere Bridge, hailed as the longest flyover ever. The biggest workshop center in Abakaliki, the Ecumenical Center, is at once both massive and elegant. Umahi indeed has a heart for big projects, which he finishes classically. Most amazing is that he leaves no uncompleted projects for his successor. Even the Olympic-sized stadium started a few months ago is already on its way to the finish line. Yet, Governor Umahi is running a state with one of the least allocations in the country. Ebonyi, under him, is adjudged the least indebted state in the southeast and within the 5 least in the country. Governor Dave Nweze Umahi is indeed a force to be reckoned with in all areas of governance. We present to you the Silverbird Governor of the Year, Engineer Dave Nweze Umahi.
May we have the representative of Governor David Umahi, the Governor of Ebonyi State, come up stage for the award.
Distinguished senators here present, especially the chairman and founder of Silverbird Communications, ladies and gentlemen, let me on behalf of the governor of Ebonyi State that was founded or created in 1996, Chairman Southeast Governors Forum,
and Senator-elect, Federal Republic of Nigeria. His Excellency, Engineer Chief David Umahi, I appreciate you all. Let me say, that in Ebonyi State we speak transformation, we speak development. The governor would have been here to be part of this great ceremony, but for exigencies of his duty, he has therefore asked me as Commissioner for Information and State Orientation to give him a representation and to appreciate the chairman and board of the Silverbird Group for this yet another honor bestowed on him. The governor never knew that his modest accomplishments in the state in close to 8 years has been appreciated by high-profile media houses like yours. So he sends his appreciation. I make bold to say that in Ebonyi today, we enjoy emancipation. We enjoy transformation. Ebonyi State Governor within 8 years built 24 number flyovers, that is 14 twin flyovers, making him the highest in the history of Africa to do that as a good government. I remember when Mr. Bruce visited Ebonyi State, he recognized that the shopping mall built by the governor of Ebonyi State is the biggest in Africa, still to be challenged now. I remember in the whole of Southeast, we have the best network of roads. I remember in the Southeast, if you are talking about sit at home in Ebonyi, there is nothing like sit at home. That is because of the level of social environment and physical environment the governor has created. We have, like you have seen, Africa's biggest University of Health Sciences that has all the facilities that can make for the treatment of heart diseases, liver problems, and so on and so forth. I just want to say that the governor does appreciate this award, and he also dedicates it to humanity. He's going to serve us in the National Assembly. He's going there to represent the entire Nigeria because he's a man of sincerity. He's a man of prudence. He's a man that believes in one Nigeria. He's a man that serves humanity with passion. So thank you very much for this opportunity. God bless you. Thank you very much.